Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Cadillac certified pre-owned 2017 Cadillac XT5 Luxury Collection all-wheel drive, stock number X637X. Only 16,000 miles, and this local trade comes to us with a clean auto check history report, stellar black metallic in color. To be Cadillac certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year, 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 6-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. It's a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, forward collision alert, with backup camera and rear parking sensors, all helping to give it a 5-star overall government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with a removable privacy cover, as well as movable and removable cargo divider. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This luxury collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, cruise control. That's also where you set the forward collision alert, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen Q infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, navigation, dual zone automatic temperature control. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate, as well as heated front seats, automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive lock. Lots of storage space in the armrest, wireless cell phone charging, large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this XT5 has a 3.6 liter V6, 310 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 26 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Cadillac certified warranty, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.